Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2007 Suzuki Boulevard C50T. This is Suzuki's 800cc V-twin fuel injected engine, 5-speed transmission. Bike is in good condition. Leather saddlebags, backrest, luggage rack. Has a nice tall windshield, good wind protection. This bike has 24,807 miles on it. The engine is all stock, runs good, smooth, quiet, and reliable. Nice engine guards. This 2007 Suzuki Boulevard is offered at $41.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.